Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like everything beauty, and now that we're in October, if you like everything Halloween, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my ghosts and ghouls. Well, today is the final Friday of October. Wow, what a ride. I had so much fun creating these videos for you guys. You know, in the past that I've always done the 31 days of Halloween that I dedicated to my sister, because this will mark 5 years since her passing this month. And if you guys have been with me, you already know that back in July my father passed away, and I couldn't do the 31 days of Halloween. Me and my children were with my mother every single day and night right up until they went back to school, and I was spending a lot of time with my mother, and we really needed that. So unfortunately I didn't get a chance to do the 31 days of Halloween, but I did enjoy every single video that I created for this October. It was so much fun. So today's video is going to be a special one. This video I call the Weeping Guardian Angel, because I always feel that my sister and my father are always with me, and they're always protecting me and my family, and I call them my guardian angels. But I'm the one that's weeping. Oh, pardon me. I'm the one that's weeping, and I know that they're here. I know that they're smiling. I know that they're proud of me. And, you know, it just brings comfort to my heart knowing that. I wish I could flick a light switch and they would be here with us. But I have very special memories. And I want to thank each and every one of you for all the love and support that you have given to me and my family. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy this video. And remember, stay safe, love one another. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. First, I'm going to go in with the Cheek FX white body paint, and I'm going to be painting my brows white. Now to prime my lids, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish in the shade Fair. Now the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today for this whole entire look is the Marc Jacobs Steeletto eyeshadow palette. And the first shade that I'm going to be going in with is called Rule. And I'm going to be placing this all over my lid. The next shade that I'm going to be going in with is called Become. And I'm just going to apply this into my crease. The next shade that I'm going to be going in with is called Sidewalks, and I'm going to be placing this underneath my brow bone and all over my lid. Now I'm going to be going in with the Natashia Love Glow Cheek Palette, and I'm going to be going in with the shade Glow Cream Base. Now I'm going to be applying the Diamond Powder on top of the Glow Cream Base. Now I'm going to go in with an adhesive that I got from a rhinestone kit from Walmart, and I'm just going to be applying this to my face. Then I'm going to be going in with these white feathers, and I'm just going to randomly place them onto my face. Now to give my feathers some shadows, I'm going to go in with the shade Catwalk. Now I'm going to be going in with the Gem Party Rhinestone Kit. This is only $7.98 from Walmart. And I'm going to be going in with the different size teardrops and these circular rhinestones. And I'm going to be placing this down my face and down my neck.